Family Black Phoenix checking in, man. I just wanted to come to you and talk to you about something that was on my mind real quick. And this is for my black men, black women, Native Americans, because I'm black and Native myself. So, if you're gonna approach this life as far as to get ahead, and you want to be a boss, or you just want to get ahead, you got to realize that this system was not designed for us. So stop trying to play by the system rules. We have to have our own set of rules. You see what I'm saying? That we got to go by in order to get to what we're trying to get to. Now don't get me wrong. Certain things we have, it's like a guideline. You know, the system rules is like a guideline. Let you know, okay, this is what's out here. Then you got to create your own strategy, because they don't want to see us win, man. It's just what it is. Now, everybody isn't like this, but the mass majority has already been brainwashed. For real, they've been brainwashed through the media. They've been brainwashed from the government, and they feel like that, you know, we shouldn't be at certain levels. Or if we get at certain levels, we had to do something crooked to get there, or or we didn't deceive somebody, or didn't beat somebody out of something. It couldn't have been righteous. Man, this is a trip out here, man. All I'm going to say is, man, if you got it in your heart to be whatever, kill the excuses. Yes, we got tons of them that we could have. And we're going to face a lot of fucked up obstacles, man. I mean, it is what it is. But we still can do it, though. We still can win. Now, it might not be winning like that person is winning, you know. But we still can win. I mean, we understand this is white America. This is not mixed America, even though it is mixed. But this is white America. So if you're white, you got an advantage in this world. In this US of A, you got an advantage over us. Point blank fucking period. And I hate to see somebody that's white that want to consider themselves to be black, and they fucking ain't. You're not. You know what I'm saying? You don't have the same problems and issues that we face. You don't. Now, you have problems. You might have some issues, but not like us. You see what I'm saying? I mean, things can be a whole lot better for you. You just got to learn how to work the system. Now, if you white and you broke and you complaining and pointing the finger at somebody else, didn't nobody black, didn't nobody Hispanic, didn't nobody native do anything to you. You fucking up your own white privilege card, not us. So don't look at us and get mad at us. You see what I'm saying? I mean, it's just a trip out here, bro. And I'm just venting right now because it pisses me off, man, when people try to act like things are fair. This fucking country is not fair. You know what I'm saying? This shit ain't fair. You know what I mean? But it's okay, though. You just got to find your way. But to say that it's fair, man, you fucking retarded. This shit is not fair. Ain't nothing fair about this. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing fair about this, man. You know what I mean? So I hate to see people, man, that's white and they complain looking at other people. Oh, this so-and-so, we get them out the community. We can get the wall up. We can do this. Man, shut the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Go get your own bag. You know what I mean? And stop pointing the finger. And your broke ass can't even be racist because you broke. You can be prejudiced, but your broke ass can't be racist. You know what I mean? How you gonna be racist? You not controlling nothing. You barely getting by yourself. You see what I'm saying? Man, come on, man. Miss me with all that drama, man. I'm just venting right now and just saying that for us blacks, natives, Spanish people, we got to have different rules, you know, and the rules of the systems are just guidelines. Then we have to find our own niche to eat, man. I mean, that's all you're trying to do. I'm not trying to be compared. I'm not trying to be equal with the white man because I'm not going to be. You know, under God I am. Under God's law, yeah, we all equal. But in this law, in this world, we are not equal. You see what I'm saying? And I'm not going to try to be equal with him because I already know we ain't equal. And I know we're not going to be able to be eat off the same plate. You see what I'm saying? Now, there is something where, you know, I got friends of all nationalities. But are we equal? Nah, we're not equal. Not in the eyes of this country. You know, they'll say we all stand on this flag. we all, you know, fight for a war, and the same people of color that fight for the war still have issues to do when it's time to fight for their personal freedom once they get out the war. You see what I'm saying? And that's fucked up. You can use us to help you, but you can't help us after we done help you. You see what I'm saying? It's just a trip, man. It's just a trip. I'm just venting right now and just speaking my mind. So, you know, not trying to offend anyone, but I'm just being real about how I feel. And that, you know, I know things are not what they say equal out here. You know, you can deceive yourself all you want to, but if you black, you got to figure out a way to get you a bag. People gonna try to step on you, gonna try to hold you back, gonna say, oh, you can't get on this job because you got a felon, or you can't get on this job because you ain't worked long enough in this field, or it'd be something. They gonna come up with something. You see what I'm saying? You know, I got a brother I talk to, he have issues and all he got is a DWI and he black. You see what I'm saying? He like, man, I ain't even got no main stuff, but I still